Coco is a classic animated feature film. One of the songs, Remember Me, has touched many audiences with its beautiful melody and touching lyrics.
Don't let it make you cry, for even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me, though I have to travel far. Remember me, each time you hear a sad guitar.
But this 2017 film isn't that clear, and in today's video, I'm going to use AI to restore and enhance this classic film.
Until you're in my arms again, remember me.
Okay, let's get started. We open UniFab Video Upscaler AI. The software is very easy to operate and only requires 3 steps to complete the enhancement. Step 1. Select the Upscaler function and import the video. Step 2. Make simple adjustments to the video parameters. You can also enter settings for advanced settings. Here we select animation model and increase the video bitrate to export with high quality. Here we provide the video customization function you can choose freely. Finally, export the video. Okay, let's enjoy the final restored video. You can see that the enhanced video is very clear, and the originally blurred characters have become vivid and three-dimensional. Let us quietly enjoy this touching song and warm pictures together.
I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me, though I have to travel far. Remember me, each time you hear a sad guitar. Know that I'm with you the only way that I can be. Until you're in my arms.
If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more AI tools and more useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.